Hi everyone! Experiencing issues with YouTube Vanced not working? In this video, I'll show you a working fix for common problems on Android. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Keep in mind, on some devices, this might appear as App Management, Applications, or App Settings, so look for any of those options. Inside App Management, select App List to view all your installed applications. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type YouTube to quickly find the app. Once YouTube appears in the results, tap on it to open its settings. Now look for Storage and Cache, or simply Storage and tap on it. Here, tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that could be causing the app to misbehave. Next, go back to the YouTube app settings and select Permissions. Make sure all important permissions like camera, microphone, storage, and internet are allowed. This ensures the app runs smoothly without any restrictions. Next, make sure that YouTube app is updated to the latest version. If it's not, go ahead and update it from the App Store or Google Play Store. And that's it. By clearing the cache, managing permissions, and updating the app, you've now fixed the most common YouTube Vanced issues on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.